Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install hololive Dreams game on PC via the Steam launcher. And this game is completely free to download. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Steam, go to store, and in search the store, search for hololive Dreams and then click on hololive Dreams game. Scroll down and here you will see play hololive Dreams free to play. So click on play game button. And here you can see hololive Dreams 1.33 GB. Click on install button. Read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library. And here you can see that hololive Dreams game is getting installed on my PC. So this is how you can follow the same steps to download or install hololive Dreams game on PC via the Steam launcher. The game is completely free to download. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.